Midjourney has just launched its highly anticipated Omni-Reference feature, replacing the previous character reference system. Omni-Reference simplifies the process of saying, "Put this in my image." It's designed to ensure consistency with characters, objects, vehicles, and even non-human creatures. But its utility goes far beyond that. It also supports personalization, stylization, and referencing styles or mood boards. To use Omni-Reference, first make sure you're using Midjourney version 7. You can check this in your settings. Then upload your reference image and drag it into the Omni-Reference input area. You can adjust how strongly the reference influences your output using the Omni-Weight slider, which defaults to a value of 100. First up, let's see how well Omni-Reference can capture the look and presentation of a specific object. My goal was to generate a high-quality image of this green bag. I uploaded this image into Midjourney, then I wrote my prompt describing the bag in the scene. And to make sure Midjourney really paid attention to the reference, I set the Omni-Weight to 400. Look what it gave me. This is really impressive. Midjourney took the reference image and generated the bag sitting on what looks like a beautiful marble surface with perfect studio lighting, just like a professional product shot. It's incredible how accurately it captured the look I wanted. Next, let's try applying an outfit from a reference image to a generated model. I dragged this image into the Omni-Reference. My prompt described the scene and the kind of model I wanted. Elegant woman in a flowing blush pink chiffon lanvin gown with pleated texture and soft bishop sleeves, styled with a red leather handbag, hyper-realistic, high-resolution, high-quality, HD, _OW 400, V7, R9:16. Let's check the results. This is interesting. This one image right here is absolutely perfect. It captured the dress, the bag size looks correct, and the shot angle is great. However, looking at the other three, there are some variations. The bag seems bigger in some, or the shot is from the side, which wasn't ideal. It shows that while Omni-Reference can give you that perfect result, sometimes you get variations in the grid. But this one perfect image is so good. This is a fantastic potential use case. I uploaded another image of outfit. My prompt asked for a model wearing this outfit with parameter OW 400. Look at this. It's amazing. These three images look like real fashion shots. Midjourney has generated models realistically wearing the clothes from my reference image. This ability to take a picture of clothing and see it on a model is incredibly powerful. You can see in this one image, though, the clothes didn't quite translate correctly and change design. But getting these three perfect results from just the clothes is mind-blowing. Now let's test Omni-Reference's ability to transfer patterns or designs, taking a visual style from one image and applying it to another object, like putting a tile design onto a jacket. This is where the control really shines. I started by generating a tile image with specific colors. The prompt is a flower colors of magenta, purple, peach, deep red, _style raw, _tile. My prompt created this tile pattern. I like this particular one. Then I wrote a prompt for a jacket with flower colors purple, peach, deep red, floating, studio lighting, isolate white background, on hanger. I added the tile image's URL using oref, and I set the Omni-Weight quite low, to 20, just to see what happens. As you can see, I got jackets with the right colors, but not the specific flower pattern from the tile. The low value wasn't enough to transfer the design detail. Okay, let's use that Omni-Weight control properly for pattern transfer. I went back to my jacket on hanger prompt, added the original tile image's URL with _DAS oref, but this time, I significantly increased the Omni-Weight value. I tried a much higher value, let's say 400. Yes! Look at these! By increasing the Omni-Weight, Midjourney has successfully transferred the exact flower pattern from the tile image onto the jacket. I really like it. This is amazing. Now, taking one of these successful pattern jackets as my reference image with oref and prompting for a male model wearing it. Wide shot, full body, male model wearing jacket designed with colors of magenta, purple, peach, deep red, studio lighting, isolate white background. Look at this. It's really cool. It's the same jacket with the same colors and pattern I wanted, now on a model. And I can try placing him in another scene. And the jacket stays consistent. This precise pattern transferability using _oref and controlling it with _OW is truly a game changer. Omni-Reference is also incredibly powerful for keeping characters consistent, even when putting them in different settings. Let's try it with multiple people. I wanted to see if Omni-Reference could keep the look of two specific children consistent while placing them in a completely different environment. I uploaded this image of the two children. My prompt asked for them to be in a new scene, like two children sitting at desks in a classroom. Oh wow, so good and cool. It put them in a classroom, and they are clearly the same kids. This consistency is so impressive. Let's try it again with a different people. I uploaded an image of two women and prompted for them shopping. So good. I really like the second one in this grid. The resemblance is strong, and they are convincingly placed in the shopping scene. Can we take a specific dog's face and put it onto something like a dog food package? Let's find out. I chose a cute dog image and uploaded it. My prompt: advertisement photo of a big yellow dog food pack on a bold purple background, featuring a happy dog and bowl of kibble. Brand name Happy Pup in bold text, clean studio lighting, modern commercial style _ as 400. Look at that. So cute. Omni-Reference integrated the specific dog's face onto the packaging design effectively. And finally, let's really push the character consistency by taking one person and generating them from different angles and expressions, maintaining their look across variations. Wanted to generate various shots of this specific person. I generated this image of a woman that I like to use as an Omni-Reference. Here's a front view. Yes, it's her, consistent. Now a side view. Still the same person, maintaining her features, hair, and even clothing details. So good. Let's get a close-up shot with a smile. Impressive. She remains the same character, consistent in her look and expression, without any noticeable defaults. And these two images here, also perfectly consistent characters. It's so good and impressive what Midjourney V7 can do with Omni-Reference. As you've seen in these tests, Midjourney V7's new Omni-Reference system, using the _oref and _AMA parameters, is truly revolutionary. The ability to reference specific visuals, like an object, outfit, pattern, character, or even a pet's face, and seamlessly integrate them into new generations is a game changer. It brings unprecedented control and creative direction, opening exciting possibilities for marketing, mock-ups, storytelling, and design. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.